This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will show a few useful tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's together find and launch the settings app, and here enter the display category. Here, two options that I wanted to share with you evade us. So first one is the ambient display, which is another phrasing for an always-on display option. So you can switch it on and toggle the wake display by methods, either tapping the display and or moving the phone. So I will personally switch on moving the phone, since it will accidentally trigger ambient display more often than it will help, so I guess. But that's your personal preference. Now, if I were to tap on the phone, you will see that the always-on display will appear, which shows the current time, the date, as well as last notifications that you have gotten. So a pretty neat feature, if you ask me. Another second option inside the display category is the 3-finger screenshot method. So once enabled, it allows you to take your 3 fingers, hold them at the display like that, and the screenshot should get made. So once again, another convenient way to capture a screenshot. Now, if we were to launch the device's settings and enter the gestures category, you can also enable another neat feature called media controls. So once enabled, you will now be able to play next or previous track when the screen is off by pressing and holding volume up or down keys. So I will not demonstrate it explicitly here, but the way it goes is, if your screen is locked and you have some track playing from Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, doesn't matter, just you have a media that is currently playing, you will now be able to switch to the next track by pressing and holding the volume up button, or change to the previous one, or restart the song that you're listening currently by once again pressing and holding, but this time, the volume down button. And the final option that you may have missed is called RAM boost or memory expansion, which allows you to get a few additional gigabytes of random access memory, even though those RAM gigabytes will be of virtual nature, since they will simply redirect a few gigabytes of your ROM or internal storage to behave as RAM. In order to switch it on or manage this option, you will need to enter the About Phone category of settings. Here, tap at the RAM spec and switch on the RAM boost. Now you can leave it at automatic mode, which will optimize memory in accordance with, or just will optimize memory as the system sees it or deems it necessary, or you can hard select 2, 4, 8, or 16 gigabytes of additional RAM. Keep in mind that in order for those changes to be properly applied, you will need to reboot the device. So do that, wait a few seconds, and that will be pretty much it, guys. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.